only say that the statement made by the minister on the floor of the House, the written answer that was supplied in response to a question about extradition of Dawood Ibrahim and other terrorists. That was the question, specific question that was asked, and the reply is the fact in this matter, and that is the government's position on the matter, that the location of the subject Dawood Ibrahim is not known.
But hang on a second. Now I have to interrupt you. Now you're contradicting what Rajiju said. Now you're going back to saying that Haribhai Chaudhry's position is the fact of the matter, your words, which suggests that when Rajiju says that it's the consistent position of the government, he's in Pakistan, Rajiju is wrong. So now you're adding a further twist to the argument.
No, I would say that what the minister said in Parliament there was no deviation from the factual position.
But what Rajiju said outside Parliament is different to what the minister said in Parliament. Which of the two ministers should we believe? Rajiju outside or Chaudhry inside?
That the current location of Dawood Ibrahim is not known.
Forgive me, the word current is missing. I'm going to remind you of the sentence, it's here in front of me. The subject has not been located so far. So far suggests in the past as well. The word current is missing.
No, I think you will have to read those two words so far carefully, and possibly some further clarity could be given on that.
A lot of further clarity.
So far does not mean past 20 years.
Oh, how many years in the past does so far stretch?
No, I think that's something that possibly a clarification could be given about.
I must tell you that when they were investigating Shakespeare's sonnets to find out who the hidden author was, they didn't go into terminology in the way we're doing it here. I mean, if we have to go into so many definitions to understand what a minister means by the word so far, we will be into English literature studies by the end of the day. The truth, Mr. Parthasarathy, is that in fact the Home Minister's reply had another bizarre sentence. So far by simply concentrating on the fact that we don't know the subject's location. The second sentence was this: extradition process with regard to Dawood Ibrahim would be initiated once the subject is located. Now that clearly suggests there are no extradition proceedings pending at the moment. But again, hasn't India repeatedly been asking Pakistan for extradition?
No. We have asked for extradition. The minister is technically correct because we don't have an extradition treaty and we have not formally moved, but it has been put on paper to them because we don't have an extradition treaty.
But it has been put on paper.
It has been.
So when the minister says,
just a minute.
This is important. You've confirmed extradition requests have been put on paper. That's right?
Yes, that's certainly.
So when the minister says extradition process with regard to Dawood Ibrahim would be initiated once the subject is located, he's wrong. It has been initiated.
Listen, it is done by Mr. Advani. When he gave them the list of 20 and said return them to us, it's not a formal request for extradition.